Good afternoon, Brendan from Starpoint Australis. Thanks for joining me on this Tuesday of the week that was. So this one's going to be real quick because I was away all last week on some personal business. So I haven't been in the workshop. I haven't been doing too much at all. However, I have been doing some bits and pieces with freight that has been landing. So it's in the US now. And we've got the Australian freight landing on Thursday this week. So I've been doing a lot of back of house integrations and stock receivables and customs, and there's just so many different things to importing freight all around the world. So that's pretty much it. I know this is super quick this week, but yeah, that's all we've got for that side. In the next couple of weeks, I believe we might have an opportunity for a new moon weekend. So hopefully the guys can get out this weekend, or not this weekend, the weekend after coming, to do a little bit of astronomy. And I think the other thing that I can say about for this update is it's been great seeing some of the octans and Phoenix being utilised out in the field. Obviously Stephen Ramsden has been out and about doing his, Mike Huber and Bina Franks. They're all some of the guys that have been sending us some awesome photos and some awesome feedback. So thank you very much for that. As for my Australian people, I would say next week I'll be, for those of you who require it to be sent that are around Australia, I'll be arranging that freight next week. And for those of you who are local to Perth, we'll be arranging your pickups. Whether it be I come to you, you come to me, wherever that might be. But we'll be arranging that for next week. So ready for the new moon. Yay. So that's pretty cool. All right then, guys. Well, like I said, super quick this week. Next week, hopefully we'll have a few extra things for you to talk about. But until then, you guys have a great week ahead. Hopefully it's clear where you are so you can do some astronomy. All right. Bye now.